All right, let's dive right into the world of sole proprietorships. You know, a lot of people are drawn to this business model for its simplicity and control. And today, we are here to help you get acquainted with the basics of setting up a sole proprietorship. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. So, what exactly is a sole proprietorship? It's a business structure where the business and the owner are, well, basically one entity. This means, as a sole proprietor, you get to call all the shots and you alone are responsible for all the business decisions. Now, it's pretty interesting to note that a massive chunk of businesses in the United States are actually sole proprietorships. In fact, approximately 73% of all businesses kickstart their journey as a sole proprietorship. Pretty staggering, right? Well, setting up a sole proprietorship can be as easy as pie with us at legalregistration.com. You see, we pride ourselves on being the #1 third-party organization for helping individuals across America set up their sole proprietorships. But why would someone choose this business structure, you ask? It's simple, really. This model allows for easy setup, lesser compliance headaches, and you have the ultimate say in how your business is run. But keep in mind that this also means that you are personally liable for any business debts or liabilities. Now, let's chat about the setup process a bit. When you decide to venture into this business structure, we are here to walk you through every step. We make sure that your business gets up and running without any hitches. Trust us, with our expertise, it will be smooth sailing. And hey, while we are on the topic, let's talk numbers. Did you know that sole proprietorships contribute to a sizable part of the American economy? Yes, indeed, sole proprietorships rake in a combined annual revenue of over $1 trillion. Yeah, you heard that right. Trillion with a T. So, are you ready to kickstart your business journey with a sole proprietorship? If so, head over to legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to access our services over the phone by dialing 877-955-7111. Also, what is your opinion on sole proprietorships? Which advantage of having one is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to keep your new business profitable and in compliance.